very good.
Very good. Feel better, I believe, kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So, kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So, sobrang thank you.
This company?
Yeah,
Where is it?
in this area.
Okay. Yeah, let's go.
Here, in this area.
Okay, the other side?
There's something right in my back here, in this area.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Wow. Wow.
There you go.
Oh, I can see the difference here. There's a big difference here. Oh, no more weight. Oh, there's no more tension. Tension in my shoulder and my neck. So every time that I do work long for long hours, I feel this issue or the tension or the pain here. So I've been dealing this kind of issue since like 10 to 15 years. So I don't know on how to fix this kind of issue because I'm also looking for this kind of therapy to fix my the posture, I think, or I don't know how to call that, but that is the issue that I'm dealing.
This company?
Yeah,
Where is it?
in this area.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead and look up. No?
No, it's
Okay.
okay.
Alright.
I can feel the tension here. Yeah, this one I can feel the tension here. It really bothers me.
Okay. Yeah?
This one really bothers me a lot.
The other?
From my back.
Okay.
I can feel that something heavy in my back.
Okay.
Here, in this area.
Okay. The other side?
There's something weight in my back here, in this area.
Okay.
Oh, perfect. Oh. Wow.
All the way up.
Wow. I love that. That's like what I'm doing in yoga. I can feel that.
You feel better?
Yeah, but in yoga it's very light, but this one is just like a really therapy.
Good, good.
Wow. Relaxing. Just like, I'm thinking for the yoga because that's what I'm feeling every time I'm doing a yoga.
Good.
Perfect.
There you go. Perfect.
Relief, the relief. I can breathe now. That's so relaxing. Yeah, there's a difference.
Good. Look up. Different.
Yeah, I can breathe peacefully.
The other side. Less tension?
Tension? No, there's no more full
Good.
tension here.
Good. Alright, back to neutral.
No more tension in this area. Oh, I can see the difference here. There's a big difference here. Before I told you that there's a weight in this area, and then every time I turn my head or something, my neck here, I can feel the tension, but I'm okay now.
Good, good.
Oh, no more weight. Oh, there's no more tension. Thank you. A therapy that you have to pamper yourself, especially for those who are working for a very long time. This could be the best thing that you could give to yourself.